Alright guys, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 1272. Trilogy bin. Got five plus winners in this one. That's cool. Ron and Sean and Tebow and Jack and Dawkins and Bob and Paul. Chris. Jack got the ninja. Ron and Aaron and Pat and Tebow, Chris, Jack, and Bob. Thanks, Chris cleaned out the last three so I could post another bin. And it looks like Playbook is sold out now, actually. And there we go. Oh, so I'm going to do Jack's Ninja and then a bunch of 5+ wheel spins. Then we'll get into that box. 12 darts for Jack. Yeah, Playbook is a really good price. I should double check that. I'm probably losing money on that too. 555. Double 15. Single 12. Double 10. Bunch of darts for Jack. I don't know what he's looking for. He probably wants another box of DP soon. Triple 13. 5 done. Hey Bob, don't leave. You're in this. Triple 9. Half done. Double 2. Just watching baseball highlights here. Oh, fridge magnet. Strider. Jack's gonna get a fridge magnet. Triple 20. Single 8. Double 20. 2 more. Double 8. Lots of 8s and 20s going on there. And last dart for you, Jack, is single 2. Well, I'll pull your fridge magnet right now, though. Move all the base cards off of it. Right. Go, Jack. Fridge magnets. Cuts. You got yourself. Hey, Jerry Kuzman and Nolan Ryan. 1968 rookie stars. The good thing is you're actually old enough to remember these guys. Although I don't know Nolan Ryan pretty good. Alright, 5+ wheel spin. Yes, I know. Cheap shot at old Jack. Alright, Ron, 5+ wheel spin. You guys know the sheets. It's going to be same old one. Bill Don't Want It bonus has a Corey Conacher roll call card in it now. So if it does land on Chicago, you're going to get a mem card. Courtesy of Buck. If you didn't want it. Here we go. Hopefully Ron wins it. That'd be funny. Minnesota for Ron. And that's a darts. Extra dart for Ron. We'll see what you get. And it is a double 15 for you. Tebow's up. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is a dart. Extra dart for Tebow. Double 17. Jack's up. Montreal Canadian team, 2 darts for Jack. All Canadian teams are 2 darts, except for Leafs, which are 6. Single 18 and double bull. And I believe Jack needed a double bull. So there you go, Jack, buddy. You got it. Single 18. He'll be cashing out I'm going to get an email tomorrow saying, box of DP, please. And a double bull. And Canes fan Bob. You get a wheel spin. Lucky Bob. San Jose. San Jose is... Look at that, Bob. You get a magnet, too. Oh, there we go. Boom. Bob. Hey, look, you got Creature from the Black Lagoon. Old movie poster magnet. Don't ask, I have no idea. Creature mag. And one last for Mr. Barth. It's Phoenix, and Phoenix is... Oh, you got a blank. You got a blank, Chris, so you can make that any clear of any number you want. Any circle on any number. Unless you already have a blank, then it's wasted. Alright. That helps when you get going for a full clear and you need one number. You can use it for that number, whatever. Alright guys, so here's our box. We're on 15s for this, so any hits that qualify is... we'll be getting 15s. Hi, you're welcome, guys. Yeah, it's sold out. Playbook. I'll be checking payments and stuff after this break, and we'll do it. Empty box. 9 packs of fun for us. Order some more Trilogy. Ooh, autograph to start. There's an autograph. It looks like big old scribble. I have no idea who that is. Oh, it's a nice one. For Paul. Too bad the stamping's offset. The stamping is way to the right. Number 46 of 225. Aaron Ekblad autograph. See the stamping? Way to the right. Drunken Stamper. A little bit of a burr on this edge too, but nice card nonetheless. I like Aaron Ekblad, man. Awesome kid. Oh, that's a thickie. We'll save it. Save the thickies to last. Oh, save the thickies to last. Oh, this is a recording. Save the thickies to last. We got a Crystal at a 275 for the Philadelphia Flyers and Chris Clauserou, the Kangaroo. And because it's not a normal medium, it's acetate, you're going to get a single, what are we on? 15. You're going to get a single 15 for that. Big old, heavy old. Didn't you get a bunch of crystals in the last one too? I know somebody got all the crystals. Rookie out of $9.99 going to Paul. Andre Burakovsky. It's out of $7.99 actually. Sorry. True rookie card going to Paul. Okay, we got a case break of this stuff going, guys. 22 left. Radiant Green out of $1.99 for Tebow. Victor Rask. Hopefully you don't have that one. Yeah, you got 3 in that last one. I know. I just sent them all. It's like really heavy. Those things are bricks, man. Radiant Green. Again with offset stamping. To the left this time. Ooh, and a Trilogy jersey in this too. Look at this. I didn't even notice. We got a brick. So this one is William Karlsson out of $1.99 going to Ron. And you can see the stamping is to the left. It's Drunken Stamper Day. And we got a jersey card. Oh, nice. Going to Paul. Triptych jersey, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Very impressed with this kid. And that's out of 600. There you go, Paul. And that's going to earn you also a single 15 to go with it. Paul doing pretty good with his, got a couple teams. But a jersey and a mem with 2 teams. That's hardcore. Nice for the San Jose Sharks and Canes fan Bob out of 98. Thomas Hertl, 98 shots on goal. Lack of slabs. Yeah, I haven't done any Ultimate Vault for a while, and I got a couple boxes left of that. I'm going to be doing actually some 12th edition on eBay. I'm going to be doing 12th edition bin on eBay, so you want to check that out. We got a Triptych jersey. I'm guessing it's a jersey. Steve Mason for Philly and Chris. Hello, Chris. Another brick for you. That's out of 400. That's going to earn you a single 15. Nice. Oh, signature puck. We'll save that one for last. I don't know who it is, but I've seen the puck. Triptych jersey. Oh, it's a pad. Awesome. Canes fan Bob. I love this card. Curtis Joseph. Leg pad. And it's all dirty and stitchy. Awesome, awesome, Bob. I love that card, buddy. Out of 600. It's going to earn you a single 15 for your pile, too. I love how they have pad pieces. I'm a big fan of pad and glove and skate and all that kind of stuff, man, you know. Right, signature puck. Who's going to get the autograph puck here? It is. Wow. Really? For one of the cheapest teams, going to Chris. Little reward for cleaning up some of the last teams, buddy. Ryan Suter. One of the best defensemen in the league. Massively underrated. Normal version signature pucks. So I'd say that's a little reward for you for cleaning up the bin. You did very, very well. And that's going to earn you a double 15 for your pile. So that was a pretty nice little box. You don't see 4 bricks very often in this stuff. So there we go, guys. That's it. I'm going to get ready for the playbook bin. Thank you all for your support. I'll catch you all in the next.